In another 5-4 vote, the Supreme Court ruled that government workers who opt out of joining unions are not required to pay a share of agency fees.
Liberty Justice Center co-founder John Tillman, representing Mark Janus.
This is an amazing ruling overturning 41 years of precedent. It sets 5.5 million workers free in 22 states. They've had their free speech rights restored.
Patrick Hughes' Liberty Justice Center represents the Illinois state worker.
Our client, Mark Janus, just wants to be able to make a choice about whether he supports the union.
To help walk us through that is the president of the Liberty Justice Center, Pat Hughes. Pat, thanks for being here.
The Liberty Justice Center was founded to fight against political privilege. The very best example of our dedication to that mission is our fight to restore workers' First Amendment rights. For 40 years, politicians had granted highly political government unions the power to seize money from public employees' paychecks, even if those workers weren't union members and wanted nothing to do with these unions. But with our victory in Janus versus AFSCME, that practice is now illegal. Our victory in this case means the First Amendment rights of millions of public school teachers, first responders, and other government workers have been restored.
It's up to the worker to decide what they want for themselves, not some other larger entity.
Winning at the Supreme Court is only the first step. Across the country, politicians and government union leaders are conspiring to make it as hard as possible for workers to exercise their newly restored First Amendment rights. We won't let that happen. Liberty Justice Center is committed to protecting workers' rights and ensuring that the Supreme Court ruling is fully implemented in all 50 states.
It's a great victory for government workers. There are 5 million workers in 22 states who for years have been forced to pay money to government unions as a condition of working in public service.
If you're being pressured to join a union, sign a union card, or being told that you cannot leave the union, let us know. We're here to help. We fought for Mark Janus all the way to the Supreme Court, and we'll fight for you too.